Chapter 14. Do good, Flippy. Hey, what happened? Did we miss anything? No, not really. The bad guys went to jail, and Commander Cupcake saved the day again. He did not? Hooray for Commander Cupcake! Sorry for calling you Grandpa, Petey. That's fine, Big Jim. Alright, let's go, kid. Hey, Papa! Flippy and Molly don't have anywhere to live. Can they stay with us for a while? Please! Please, 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 super duper, please! Well, okay. Only for a... Yay! Bye, everybody! Let's all play again tomorrow! I'll see you at your house, Dogman, okay? Come on, Flippy, let's go. Thanks, guys, but I can't. Why not? I think I'm needed somewhere else. Where, Flippy? Well, there are 21 baby tadpoles in that swamp back there. And I'll bet they're feeling pretty lonely and afraid all by themselves. I remember how that felt, so I was thinking, maybe they could use a friend. You were so good to me when I was in fish jail, LP. You made comics for me every day. You inspired me. You kept me going. Now it's my turn to do good. Hey, I want to do good too. Well, you can help me if you want. Okay. And you guys can visit us at the swamp anytime. Yeah, you still have to teach me how to make comics. I will. Hey, maybe you can teach all 22 of us. Okay. Well, let's go, kiddo. Bye, little Petey. Bye, Molly. Bye, old guy. And so, see, Papa? I told you Flippy was a good guy. Yeah, I guess so. He's changing the world. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, come on. All he's really doing is looking after a few baby tadpoles. That's not really going to change the world. Maybe not. But it'll change their world. Now let's walk you to Dogman's house. Okay. Hey, maybe you're right, kid. I am? I was right about something? I said maybe. I was right about something. Sweet. The end. And now, bonus. Now you can sing the final verses of Barky's song. You better not. There's the fair fairy right there. An old lady jail. Barky, victory face, knew the moon was bright that night. So he grabbed his foes with his hands and toes and squeezed them really tight. Then all the tadpoles flew into a swampy bay, and the medicine Zuzu poured right in and made the powers go away. So Barky dropped our heroes and he turned back to a tree. And the bad guys went to jail, and that's the end of our story. Now Barky victory face is so peaceful, calm, and zen. And if you do good like you know you should, then he won't come back again. Peace-a-dee, peace, zenity, zen. Look at Barky now. Doody doo doo goody good. He won't come back no how. And that's the end of the book of Dogman Fetch 22. I'll see you next time. Bye.